everyone, and welcome back to English Stories for Beginners. I'm so happy to see you here today. Do you want to speak English more naturally when you travel? On this channel, stories become your teacher, and we practice with the shadowing technique. Copy my voice, my speed, and my feeling. This trains your brain to think in English rather than translating. Today's story is called I Went to Seoul. It follows a first-time trip to Seoul, palaces, markets, the Han River, subways, street food, and a quiet evening view from Namsan Tower. Relax, listen closely, and repeat each line with me. Are you ready? Let's begin. The plan.
My name is Hannah. I love cities with history and light. One evening, I booked a ticket to Seoul. I write a simple plan in my notebook. Gyeongbokgung Palace, Myeongdong Han River. I pack light and charge my phone. I add a phrase, 안녕하세요 means hello. I sleep with a happy mind.
Arrival at Incheon.
The plane lands at Incheon in the morning. I follow the signs to immigration. Passport, please, the officer says. Stamp. A new page is marked. I collect my bag at Carousel 7. I bought a T-Money card at a kiosk. I load credit and find the airport railroad. I board the train to Seoul Station.
First ride to the city.
The train moves fast and smoothly. Fields turn into buildings outside my window. I check the map above the door. Next stop, Seoul Station. I hold the pole and breathe slowly. Announcements are played in Korean and English. I step off with the morning crowd. The city air feels bright and new.
Check-in and first steps.
I roll my suitcase to a small guest house. The owner smiles and bows. Welcome to Seoul, she says. I leave my bag and take a city map. I circle Gwangjang Gate at noon. I tie my shoelaces and step outside. Buses glide past like blue whales. I walk toward the palace road.
Gyeongbokgung Palace.
Stone lions guard the main gate. The courtyard opens wide and calm. I rent an audio guide and press play. Kings, queens, fires, and rebuilding. Red pillars stand under painted roofs. I listen and walk in slow circles. A guard ceremony begins near the gate. Drums echo across the square.
Hanok Village.
I climb a gentle hill to Bukchon. Old wooden houses line narrow lanes. A sign asks for quiet voices. I keep my steps soft and steady. A cat sleeps on a warm stone step. A view opens toward the city towers. Past meets present in one clear frame. I write one line, hold both.
Insadong Tea Break.
I walk down to Insadong Street. Shops sell brushes, paper and fans. I chose a small tea house on a side lane. Green tea, please, I say softly. Steam rises from a tiny cup. I sip slowly and rest my feet. I learn one word. Gamsahamnida means thank you. I bow my head and smile.
Lunch at Gwangjang Market.
I take the subway to Jeongno 5ga. I follow the crowd to Gwangjang Market. Vendors call out with friendly voices. I sit at a stall for bindaetyeok. The pancake sizzles on a hot pan. Kimchi and pickles arrive on small plates. I taste, nod, and say, "Mashiseo." The cook laughs and gives me more.
Cheonggyecheon Stream.
Outside, I find the stream stairs, water slides under quiet bridges. Office workers eat lunch on the steps. I walk in the shade and breathe. A small heron stands in the shallow water. A breeze cools my face and neck. I sit for a minute and drink water. I plan my evening at Namsan Tower.
Myeongdong and street snacks.
I rise to street level near Myeongdong. Signs glow in bright colors and shapes. Shops play pop music on the street. I tried tteokbokki at a cart. Soft rice cakes swim in red sauce. Sweet, spicy, and warm in the hand. I bought a fish-shaped pastry for dessert. The filling is soft and sweet.
Up to Namsan Tower.
I walk to the cable car base. The cabin climbs over green trees. Seoul spreads out like a silver map. At the top, the tower rises into the sky. Couples take photos near love locks. I lean on the rail and look far. Bridges cross the Hon like long ribbons. The sun drops behind low hills.
Night lights and notes.
The city turns to gold, then blue. Lights bloom in every direction. I write 3 words: wide, bright, alive. I take one careful photo and put my phone away. I stand still and let the view teach me. After a while, I ride down in the dark. I buy water at a small shop. I sleep early and set my alarm.
Han River Morning.
I rent a bike near the Riverside Park. The path is wide and smooth. Runners pass with light steps. Families picnic under white tents. I stop to watch a slow boat. Wind moves the river like silk. I drink water and check my map. I circle Yeouido for lunch.
Yeouido and a quiet park.
Skyscrapers shine like tall mirrors. I find a shady bench near the lawn. Office workers share kimbap on a mat. I tried a triangle kimbap from a store. Seaweed, rice, and a small surprise inside. I read a park sign about cherry blossoms. Spring must be beautiful here. I note a plan to return one day.
Hongdae Afternoon.
I take the subway to Hongik University. Street art colors, walls, and alleys. A dancer practices moves on the square. Shops sell stickers, hats, and prints. I enter a tiny cafe for an iced latte. A song I know plays softly inside. I rest, then wander without a plan. I bought a postcard with a blue sky.
COEX and the Starfield Library.
I ride line to 2 Samsung Station. The mall opens into a huge space. The library wall is full of books. People sit quietly under warm light. I walk the aisles and touch one's spine. I read a page and close it gently. I write a line, keep learning everywhere. I head back before the rush hour.
Dinner in Ikseon-dong.
Narrow lanes twist between old houses. Small lamps shine above wooden doors. A server greets me with a kind bow. I order bibimbap in a warm stone bowl, rice, vegetables, and a fried egg on top. I mix slowly with a spoon. Steam rises and the smell is good. I eat with calm and gratitude.
A rainy turn.
Clouds gather and rain begins. I open a small umbrella and keep walking. Neon signs reflect on wet streets. The city hums with a softer sound. I step into a bookstore to wait. Pages smell like paper and ink. I bought a tiny notebook for new words. The rain slows, and I step back outside.
Last morning at a palace gate.
I return to Gyeongbokgung at sunrise. Few people stand in the open square. A guard changes with steady steps. I bow my head and watch in silence. I take one picture and put my phone away. I breathe in the cool morning air. I say goodbye to the mountains behind the walls. I walk toward the subway with a quiet heart.
Farewell on the train.
I ride the airport railroad back to Incheon. The city slides away like a long film. I list the places from this trip: palace, village, markets, river, tower, lights. I added 3 lessons at the end. Ask kindly. Confirm the line. Carry water. I close my notebook and smile. Soul feels bright, gentle, and strong.
Great job! You listened, repeated, and shadowed with me today. Every sentence you spoke made your English stronger. I Went to Seoul reminds us that travel is more than places. It is quiet courtyards, friendly stalls, river wind, and warm lights after rain. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to English Stories for Beginners for more shadowing practice. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new story. Remember, one page, one story, one step, your English will grow. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next video.